Download my free ministry video content calendar. Know what video to make and when and where to post it. Let's take a look and see how it works. First of all, go to my website. You'll see a place where you can download the content calendar. Enter your name, your email address, and what you need help with in your video making. After you hit the download button, it'll take you right to the PDF. And so on the first page is the title page of this PDF. And on the second page, this will give you a little bit of advice on how to use this content calendar. So, first of all, this is just a simple way to stay in front of people who support and love your ministry. People who are connected to your ministry love it, and they want to be a part of it. The challenge is that they don't know what is happening in your ministry. This calendar gives you a plan to stay in front of people who love and support you and your ministry. Using video with this calendar will help you to keep your people excited on the workings of your ministry, acquire new donors, and it will help you to be the voice to the people you are ministering to. This is for the ministry with a creative team or a video team, and for that one ministry person who's wearing all the hats. It can be as simple as taking out your phone and making a video, or making a production out of it. The goal is just to make it. So remember that. The goal is just to make a video. Start with one day a week and then move on to maybe a monthly routine. Remember, this is just a guide, so you can add videos to it or subtract to it as needed, and depending on the month or whatever's happening in your ministry too. So let's take a look at the calendar. On the left-hand side, you'll see the icon guide. So this will give you a guide to where it should be posted. So as you can see, if you look on Monday or Tuesday, on that first post, ministry overview video, and at the very bottom you can see the icon guides. It's Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, email, and YouTube. So you don't have to do them all, right? This is just saying, hey, if you're using these are the places you need to put them. If you want to know which one to sign up for or which one is the best, look and see how many followers you have already in your emails or in your social media, and focus on that one first, and let the other ones just sort of, if you've got time, post to them, or if you want to grow them, start to post to them as well. And so the email one is using a program or a website like MailChimp or Constant Contact. You want to format these videos so that people, all they do is click on it and it goes directly to the video, or it's maybe a thumbnail shot of the video and they can click on it and go to it. So anyways, it's a way to over communicate with your whole, with all your followers, with the people that support and love your ministry. Also on the left, you'll see video length suggestions. I go through a bunch of them there. Video tips. So try not to do the videos all by yourself is one tip. Maybe have people send videos to you. Since we got it on the calendar, what's coming up. Have people send videos to you so you can just start to plug these videos in and almost like schedule them. And so the beauty of Facebook and MailChimp and some of these other places, you can schedule videos to go out the next day or the next week or whenever. These videos that you're posting, you want to do this every month. It'll seem like we're just doing the same videos each month. Not really. Sort of yes and no. So let's take a look at Tuesday, the ministry overview video. So you want to share what your ministry is doing. And so the idea behind that is to over communicate what your ministry is doing. We need to tell people, hey, this is what we do, this is our plan, and this is how we do it. And so one of the great books that I use that's incredible at kind of doing an overview of a ministry or organization is called Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. I don't know if it has anything to do with branding, but I know that it's great at storytelling. So, what problem are you solving? What problems do the people that you're serving have? What problems are you solving? And so, anyways, there's a link on that Tuesday, and you can learn more about how to script that and make that video. So that ministry overview video, that will be probably the most labor-intensive video you do. So just think through that's going to be, that's probably one of your highest quality videos you want to make to start off each month. And then Wednesday, picture or text, let people know that you've got a ministry update coming on Thursday. So how does a ministry update video look different than a ministry overview video? So the ministry overview video is just talking about what you do as a ministry as a whole. The ministry update, you're going to talk about specific things. So, hey, this week we're going out to feed, 250 people out, homeless people, or this week we are having this happen. So talk about the update of what's going on in your ministry. And that's a really short video. So it's not as long as, say, the overview video that can be up to 3 minutes long, but it's fairly short, 30 to 60 seconds. The next video that is in here is a donor testimony video. You look at next Tuesday, right? A donor testimony video. There's a link there. You can learn more about how to do that. But the idea is to post a picture on Monday of that donor and then put the donor testimony up there. That could be as simple as calling that donor and saying, hey, would you make a quick 30 to 60 second video on why you give to our ministry or why you support what we do? And then take that picture and then post it the next day. Again, this is going to be a great way for you guys to establish yourself as through the authority of this person's video. So they are giving, their friends are going to see that they have been giving and they're getting all this attention for giving. And so people will want to be like, hey, what is that ministry, or what do you do? Why is that so amazing? And so give the people that support your ministry an opportunity to help you out, to help support you even more. And it doesn't cost them anything except for maybe a couple minutes on their phone so you can post a video about what they do. And even if people don't watch that video, that person's face is on there. The person's face is the thumbnail. And maybe underneath it put like a quote from them, best ministry ever, or best investment ever in leaders of kids, whatever it might be that your ministry does. So the next video is a call to action. So think of this as just a really quick 15-second commercial, right? What do you want people to do right now for your ministry? Make a video inviting people to be a part of your ministry, to go, give, volunteer, or pray. So think of 2 ways that you want people to be involved. So how would somebody be 100% in on your ministry? What does that look like? Is it giving? Is it volunteering? Is it supporting? Second, what does it look like for somebody to just follow along in your ministry? Maybe it's subscribe to our newsletter so you know exactly what's going on, or volunteer. Well, whatever that easy step is for them to be involved in your ministry. That's a really simple video to do. Do that with your phone or production team. Have the leader of your ministry give people 2 options. Hey, you've seen our posts. You know what we're up to. We need more donors. We need more people who can volunteer and be a part of it. See the links below and give today. So we want to let people know this is how they can be a part of this ministry. So the next video is a success story video. And again, that's going to look a lot like the testimony, but the success story is about the people that you're ministering to, not the people that are supporting and giving to your ministry. So there's a link at the bottom of that so you can look at that. and learn more about that. But the purpose of that is to have a video about someone whose life is changed by the work you are doing. And so that video could be a little longer, 1 to 3 minutes. And that can be a really, if you're going to invest time, money, treasure, talent into a video, that would be a great one to do, because the more emotionally connected you can get the people who are watching that, the more they're gonna love and support your ministry. So showing the problem and the challenges that the people face that you minister to, and then showing the success stories of them, of you helping them out of those problems, out of those challenges, and how they are better people because of it, will make people who view the video want to know more, want to be a part of your ministry, or people who are a part of your ministry be proud of it and want to share it with others and show people what you are doing. So that's a really important video to have. And again, on the next Thursday, there's a ministry update. Again, same thing. Maybe people are thinking about the video you just made. You're going to talk about what's going on in your ministry real quick. It doesn't have to be long. What are you working on today? It could be boring, completely boring if you want to. We're working on mailing out these newsletters, and you're going to get this in the mail, so be looking for it, and it could just be that. Remember, you're just staying in front of people, letting people know that you're active, you're moving, you're doing things in your ministry. The next one is really exciting. It's called an FAQ video, Frequently Asked Questions video. So think about the questions that you get the most about your ministry, and you want to answer them, right? So whatever that question is, spend 15 to 30 seconds answering that question and make a quick video about it, and then post that on the channels below that square. The next one is going to be a ministry needs update. So how's that different than a call to action? So a call to action is what you want people to do generally throughout the year, right? So ministry needs video is going to be what you need right now. Hey, we need 200 blankets delivered to this place because of this reason. You know, whatever that need is, or we're raising $5,000 in the next 15 days so that we can send special needs children to camp. You know, so whatever that ministry needs is, make that very apparent. That's the video to do it. Make sure you're not begging people to give, but you're inviting people to be a part of the movement that you're on and serving the people in your ministry. So, and if you need more about that, you can see on the right, there's some more tips on how to make that even better. So again, there's another success story video that you can add in. Those are really important, so people would know that that's on the next Tuesday. And then a volunteer or employee spotlight. Now I put that in, and don't make it too long. This is just to have a face so that when people do meet you guys face to face, they go, oh, I saw that video on you and what you do. And so make sure that people know the people who are behind the scenes in your ministry. And it could be people who are delivering the goods or cooking in the kitchen. Make it so that people can see and experience your ministry through that lens. Again, another way to have a touch or a way to show what your ministry is doing and how it's impacting lives. So that is the ministry video content calendar. And we pray that with video, your ministry can continue to grow more and more each day. So if you need any more help, give me a call, email me. My number and email is in the calendar itself. And also, if you need a video for your ministry, let us know. We'd be able to help you with that too. Thanks for watching.